Alright guys. That looks interesting. Precision Alliance, Precision Woodware. Hive IQ, I'm willing to try that.
There was a lot of questions when we first came on board, but the early adopters were people going, how do you want to go? So it's like, it's more durable, it takes paint better.
I imagine that me crunching on this piece of candy is loud. Making my way out. Oh, but I do want to stop by. Oh goodness. This is stuff for the family here. I'll have to grab, let's see, maybe 3 or 4 of those, 24 packs. Alright. I wonder if you can do a multimodal approach. I mean, like use that, but also, I mean, I'll be putting that in their food, like I saw the hive doctor do.